Good afternoon everyone. This is your F16 pilot speaking. Today we're going to take off from Lanzarote and fly over the island of Lobos before landing in Fuerteventura. I'm excited to take you on this mission, so please fasten your seat belts and prepare for takeoff. As we prepare for takeoff, I'm running through my pre-flight checks to ensure everything is in order. Our F16 is equipped with some of the most advanced technology in the world, including a heads-up display, radar and GPS systems, all designed to help me navigate through any conditions we may encounter. With all systems go, we're ready for takeoff. I increase the thrust and feel the power of the F16 as we soar into the sky, quickly ascending to cruising altitude. From up here you can see the beautiful Canary Islands with Lanzarote and the surrounding islands stretching out below us. As we approach Lobos, I begin to descend carefully, maneuvering the F16 over the island. The scenery is breathtaking, with clear blue waters and white sand beaches lining the coast. The island itself is a protected natural park with a wide variety of plant and animal life to admire. After completing our flyover of Lobos, I'm preparing for our landing in Fuerteventura. I radio the tower to inform them of our approach and adjust the F-16's trajectory for a smooth landing. The landing process is critical as it requires precise coordination of the aircraft's speed, altitude and position. I lower the landing gear, prepare the flaps and keep the throttle at the appropriate level to make a safe touchdown on the runway. We've now arrived in Fuerteventura with its famous sand dunes and stunning beaches. I'm proud to have flown this mission, and I hope you enjoyed the view from up here in the F-16. Thank you for flying with me today, and I hope to see you again soon.